The question is, a force displacement particle starting from rest is given in the figure. The kinetic energy of particle at x is equal to 3 cm is, we need to find the kinetic energy of particle at x is equal to 3 cm, whereas the displacement of the particle starting from the rest is given in this graph. So let's find this kinetic energy of particle at x is equal to 3. So the area under graph is work done, which is equal to kg is equal to minus kjw, which is equal to k6. So now the work done will be equal to area under that graph, which would be equal to 3 into 2 plus half of 1 into 1, which would be equal to 6.5 joules, and that is the area under the graph, and the area under the graph of displacement particle is called work done. So the work done will come out to be 6.5 joules at x is equal to 3 cm.